Hello guys, Audu here, and today I have with me the Tecno Spark 5 Air. This is the base model of the Tecno Spark 5 series. For a while now, I've been trying to get devices in my city, but the sellers here don't sell at recommended retail price. I came across a website that sell at affordable prices and also deliver free to anywhere in my city. So if you are in Minna and you are watching this video, make sure to check out the website and buy from them. I highly recommend it. Links in the description below. Let's give you a walkthrough of the unboxing experience. If you haven't, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. It means a lot here. The box has a combination of blue and yellow, and it has some of the specs of the Tecno Spark 5 Air highlighted on it. Unboxing the carton, you will see the device first, then the 12-month warranty card, a silicone case, the earpiece, a micro USB, the 5-volt charger and SIM ejector tool. That's everything in the box. Let's peel off the sticker. On the front, we see the key specs of the device and at the back, we see some IME number. Powering and setup took less than 2 minutes. Immediately after that, I noticed that the phone is a fingerprint magnet, and I made sure to apply the silicone case that fits perfectly. The first thing that people talk about if I bring the Tecno Spark 5 Air out of my pocket is how big the phone is. It has a size of 7 inches, which is too big, considering the type of people that will buy this phone. If you have small hand, then this phone is not for you. The proper Spark 5 has 6.6 inch, making it smaller than the base model. The Tecno Spark 5 Air has a resolution of 720 pixels with 257 pixels per inch, meaning streaming online content will be marked at 720p. Since the display is large at 7 inches, videos are enjoyable as well as gaming, because during these activities you will be holding the phone horizontally. The Tecno Spark 5 Air has 84% screen to body ratio and the bezels are noticeable. The phone is not compact because it cannot be used with one hand. Overall, the display is bright. Even though it is an IPS LCD display, it has showed some amazing graphics and color representation. The color I have with me here is called Ice Jadeite, which is just green in a layman's term. Other colors available include Spark Orange, Vacation Blue and Misty Green. The Tecno Spark 5 Air has plastic at the back and glass at the front. There is a double AI camera at the back with a quad flashlight that sits well in a rectangular bump. Up front, we have the selfie camera housed in a notched display. The fingerprint sensor is at the back, but you can't reach it easily because of the size of the device. The color combination on my variant here is quite pleasing. As far as ports and I/O, at the top we have nothing. On the right side we have the volume rockers and unlock key that has this orange color on it. On the left we have the dual SIM card and SD card holder. At the bottom we have the headphone jack, micro USB charging port and microphone. The speaker is at the top of the phone. To unlock the phone, you have the fingerprint scanner that takes split seconds to unlock. Face unlock is also available, but it takes some seconds to open, and I don't recommend using it. The Tecno Spark 5 Air runs on Android 10 Go edition. This means light version of application are what should be installed if you want fluid usage. Installing normal apps might lead to lags. For example, using the normal Facebook app, I experienced lag and sometimes the app crashes while I'm scrolling. But Facebook Lite works like a champ on this phone. iOS version 6.2.0 is the user interface on the phone, and as usual it can be a bloatware heaven. Some of them can be removed while some of them can't be removed. Immediately after unboxing the device, there was already a security patch sent for upgrade on the Tecno Spark 5 Air. The Tecno Spark 5 Air is powered by the Mediatek Helio A22. It has an octa-core CPU, and that's one of the difference it has with the Tecno Spark 5. It has 2 gigs of RAM and 32 gig storage, but storage can be expanded with an SD card. I tried playing COD with the device. It was playable. Let me know if you want a complete gaming review. Multitasking is not efficient because most apps restart if you close them. This device is not for heavy users, but if all you do is pick calls and run basic social media apps, then it will serve you well. If you care about amazing pictures, then this device is not for you. It comes with a double camera setup that consists of a primary 30 megapixel camera and a QVGA. The pictures are straight out low quality. Here are some shots I took. Up front, we also have an 8 megapixel sensor with a dual flashlight for night photo. The overall image experience is poor, and I hardly advise you not to get this phone with the intention to snap good pictures, because you will be disappointed. The Tecno Spark 5 Air comes with a 5000 mAh battery that takes more than 3 hours to charge from 0 to 100. It is best to charge at night while sleeping. On heavy usage, you will be guaranteed 8 hours on screen time, but if you are a minimal user, you can expect a whole day and more from the battery. There is also an LED indicator that signifies if the phone is charging. The Tecno Spark 5 Air is Tecno's entry-level offer in 2020. The phone was not designed to endure heavy usage, but battery and display brightness looks to be outstanding. If you have a small hand, then this device is not for you. The only phone I can recommend that will offer you more value at this price point is the Redmi 8. If you haven't, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.